I just want to hang out with my friends, but I can't even stand up.
I came from a faraway land. Ref Camp needed me. My name? Bismol. Pepto-Bismol. I'm here to save your life! What do you have?
Well, a little bit of,
Diarrhea? Pepto-Bismol's here to save you.
Really? Thanks, Pepto!
Now I got all the friends I want.